friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Dom's watercolor pens. This is a smaller pack of the Dom's watercolor pens, and today we are going to review that. So right here we can talk about the branding right here. We can see the Dom's branding right here. The name of the product is watercolor pens. You get 12 different shades in this, right? Contains 12 assorted shades, and the MRP of this set is rupees 15. So for just rupees 15 you get 12 different shades of watercolor pens here, or sketch pens as we used to call them in this set. So here are the sketch pens, guys. You can see smaller size sketch pens right here from Dom's, and wonderful 12 shades here: yellow, dark green, purple, orange, black, pink, green, dark blue, blue, fluorescent green, red, and maroon and brown. Sorry, these are the different 12 shades that you get in it. It's an amazing products. Now let's go ahead and try them out and see how they look. So we'll just try out a few colors to see the colors on it. So very smooth and vibrant colors here that these watercolor pens bring out. So you can actually look at it. Very smooth and bright, vibrant colors here from the watercolor pens. So an amazing product, like for small kids who want to scribble around with colors. These are amazing. No mess colors. If you don't want them to mess around with watercolor cakes, then this is something that you can buy them for color, right? If they really want vibrant dark colors, then these are something that you can go for from Dom's. They are also available in bigger set. I will show you all a bigger set of this as well, and we are going to review that soon in upcoming videos. So guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.